Hi. Oh, look at those beautiful wings. Hello, my gorgeous. Hi. Oh, you're very pleased to see me this morning. Hi. Oh, darling, you're so hungry. Hungry, Sydney. Hey, it's okay, I'm here. Right, what we got? We got a mixture here. I've got you some bread, because it's a little bit chilly now. Come on, Wilma. I've got you some floating pellets, I've got you some seed. Okay, we've got a nice mix here. Make sure you guys get a good feed. Come on, Wilma. Hi, gorgeous girl. There we go. You're hungry today. It is a bit chilly, isn't it, yeah? I brought you a nice mixture, okay? Oh, my pretties. Okay. Hey. Oh, and there's the beautiful little mandarin. Oh my god, doesn't she look so much better? Hi, duckies. Hi, Wilma. Want some pellets, darling? There you go, there's some floating pellets there. Mixed in with the seed. Hello, gorgeous. How about that for you? Hey, good birdie. Alright, my darling. Hi. Come on, duckies. Oh, you were very oily. You're looking a lot better now. Gorgeous. Wait, you know another bit of that? You want a bit of that? There you go. There you go, darling. Look at that happy tails. Let me do a quick check everywhere else. Hello, mate. You back? You alright, fella? You're looking really good. Getting there, aren't you guys? Slowly. Come on, guys. You can see some of you still looking oily as well. Hi. You're a lot better than you were. You with your broken wing. Hey guys, let's give you some of this food. You're still oily.